Good morning students. In previous classes we have studied about the epithelial tissue and today we will study about the connective tissue, one of the type of animal tissue. After completing these slides you will be able to understand composition of connective tissue, types of connective tissue, functions and locations of connective tissue. So what is connective tissue? The main job is to hold. These are mesodermal origin, most abundant and widely distributed in the body. They have two major components, that is collagen and elastin. It also secretes modified polysaccharides which names the ground tissue or matrix. Okay, here these are the composition of connective tissue. Components, that is cell, matrix, and matrix is again divided into ground substance and fibers. These matrix contains where the tissues are embedded. Okay, these are the cells of connective tissue: fibroblast, plasma cell, adipose tissue, large lymphocyte, macrophage, fibrocyst, eosinophil, and so on. These are the cells of connective tissue. Now what are the major what are the major function of connective tissue? See, its major function is to support and provide strength to the organ. It also protects and insulate internal organ. Okay, then after transport system in which blood helps, then after stored energy with the help of adipose and so on. So here are the classifications of connective tissue. Connective tissue can be classified into four types, that is loose connective tissue, dense connective tissue, cartilage and bone or liquid connective tissue. So in loose connective tissue it is again divided into three different types of tissue: areolar, adipose and reticular. In dense connective tissue, dense regular, dense irregular and elastic. Then after in cartilage, hyaline, fibro and elastic cartilage, and in blood tissue and lymph. So one by one we will discuss about its functions, locations and its different types of functions. So first we will talk about the loose connective tissue. Actually loose connective tissue are loosely arranged in the matrix. Okay, it is of two types: areolar and here you can see adipose, and in previous slide we will see the areolar tissue. Okay, so areolar tissue, it is under the skin, and adipose tissue, it is actually here fat deposition takes place. So function of loose connective tissue is to support and provide elasticity. Okay, here you can see its location. Then after dense connective tissue. So dense connective tissue again is classified into two types, that is dense regular and dense irregular. In dense regular it is again classified into white fibers, that is tendons, and yellow fibers, that is ligament. Here you can see the tendons and ligament. Okay, and its function is compactly packed structure to one another and provides great strength. Okay, then after the one another kind of connective tissue, that is here you can see elastic connective tissue. Its location is lungs, arteries, trachea and vocal cords, where we need to stretch out. Okay, and here it provides the elasticity. Then after reticular connective tissue, it is located in spleen, liver and lymph nodes. It provides internal scaffold or for soft organs. Now one of the most important type of connective tissue, that is specialized connective tissue. Okay, it is again divided into vascular connective tissue and skeletal. Okay, so vascular connective tissue, here you can see the blood or fluid connective tissue. Okay, it helps in the transportation of oxygen and carbon dioxide. Specialized connective tissue, here cartilage, where where here you can see cartilage and bones. These two are also come under the specialized connective tissue. Its location is end of long bones, tip of nose, parts of larynx and trachea. It provides the flexibility and support to the body. Okay, so students, these were all about the connective tissue. In next class we will study about the muscular and nervous tissue. Thank you so much.